In this video, we're going to add some demographic information for our user profile. Adding demographic information to a profile can help increase the accuracy of analysis. All of the available fields for demographic information are optional, so you can pick and choose from the available options based on the demographic data you already have, or the demographic data you want your users to provide. You can find all of the available demographic options in the demographics section of the Sahha Docs. For this demo, we're going to send our users age, gender, country, birth country, and date of birth. I'm adding a little use state here for storing the demographic data. We'll use this when we test out retrieving the demographic data after we've posted it. When it comes to posting the demographic data, in your app, you would want to either prompt your user for this info if you don't have it already, maybe as part of your user registration flow, or fetch the information from your server to post. For the sake of this demo, I'm once again just going to hardcode these values. Here, I've added a post demographic function and a get demographic function. Both functions call their corresponding SDK methods, posting demographic information for our authenticated user, and retrieving demographic information for that user. I'm going to add some more basic UI elements so we can test the new functions. We have a button for each function, and a text element that will display the demographic info once we fetch it. I'm now running the app again to test out the new functions. First, I have to authenticate my user. Now I can post my demographic data. And now I'm going to retrieve that data. Great. We can see that the demographic data has successfully posted and can be retrieved. We now have the ability to post and retrieve demographic data for our authenticated user in our React Native app.